Hello, 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 hello. How are you doing? Fuck. I got the thing out. I took the iced tea out of the fridge, but then I didn't put it back. Or I didn't bring it with me. We're getting ready, fired up here. Power hour. What a move. Absolutely insane move here today on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Whenever I say NASDAQ, I feel like I say it like NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Yeah. Yeah. NASDAQ. What a move, though. We pulled all the way back from this high at open, 930 area, right? We put, well, sorry, the 760 area. We pull all the way back. We filled the gap. Yesterday's gap, obviously, we gapped up overnight. We filled the gap. We tapped into that pivot point. We pushed up here to this pivot point. Woo! What a move. What a move. Patrick, you need me as a hype man. Oh, do I? Do I? I need you as a hype man, huh? What do you think? What do you think? I see you haven't fired the editor yet. Well, you know, the day is still young. The day is still young. Anything is possible. Oh yeah, I bought a car. I got really lucky, actually. I don't know if I can even talk about how much it was because it was so cheap, but I got a really good deal on that auction. $390,000, and I was willing to pay $430 for the car at the auction. I told the broker, I was like, hey, you know, worst come to worst, $430 works, but we'll take $390. So only ended up paying $390, the baby blue one. Baby blue, baby. Baby blue. It's gonna look really good here at the BDH behind me. I think a little bit of orange, you know, a little bit of orange, black, blue, orange. Is it golf blue or it's called a different color, actually. It's not golf blue. It kind of looks like golf blue. It's not sky blue. Ain't no fucking $500,000 car with the paint called sky blue, Ginger. It's called Caraco. Caracao blue. It's this color. Like it's actually there's a liquor, Caracao. What? No, it's called Caracao. Curacao. That's the color of the McLaren. Oh, look, let's see if we find one. Oh yeah, there are. This is the color of it right here. This might actually be the car. No, it's not that one. It's this one. This is actually the car right here. Or wait, no, that's got carbon fiber. It's not that. Maybe it is. It could. No. I don't know if that's the one. It's not that one. Is it that one? I mean, there's only 760 in the world, so like. It might be this one. It's got the all black. No, it's got the center seats. Mine doesn't have center seats. So it's not that one. Hold on. Is it this one? No, not this one. Which one is it? This one's not in America. It's not that one. I mean, there's only so many. How many Caraco blue? All right, let's see. Total production of the 765 was 765. There is no official or reliable public statistics on how many of them were blue. Well, that's fucked up. I want to know. I guarantee somebody has the answers. Is it this car? It couldn't. Oh, actually, this. Wait a second. No, not this one either. I feel like it could be this car though. I don't know. Pretty much this is what it looks like. So, yeah, it's not this exact model, but it is the exact model, but it is this color. I mean, I think that looks fucking insane. The beautiful car, Ginger said. They got my my help over there, pumping up my car color choices. The new BDH mobile. I'm thinking put a big old BDH on the side. Just BDH. NASDAQ. Market moving. Also, my new license plate came in today. My license plate for the GT3 came in. And it's kind of funny because I picked the name for the license plate a while back. But Ooh. The nice thing is I did get a special. You can see the Caraco blue is special. Oh, special, baby. Which other colors they got? Ceramic gray. I don't know. I think my color is better. My color is better. So I needed one of these colors. Which one was that elite one? Elite Vega blue. Whatever. Special. It's all that matters. Patrick is special. There's my car. Special. All right, NASDAQ right here at the VWAP. At the VWAP. Well, I got the car will be here on Monday. We bought it from an auction out in Texas, so it'll be shipped over here. I'll have it Monday probably. What do I think about the BMW M8? I don't know what I think about them, to be honest. Not being offensive. I just don't really think about BMW M8s personally. So we did put in this higher low right now, holding up at this 19,550 area, getting kind of like into this trend line area again. What a move though. Look at that. From the 19,400 just straight up there. This morning at open, we chopped, we broke to the downside, we tapped into that pivot point, we squeezed right back up, and now we're here at the VWAP once again. We'll see what happens here in Power Hour. Can we go to the moon? I don't know. We're going to find out. Don't ask me questions that I don't know the answer to. It's pronounced carousel. Curacao. Curacao. What was your bid on the 765? So we paid $290 for it. 290,000 was the winning bid. The problem was, it was kind of fucked up actually. There was another dealer that I had talked to recently asking him if he had any 765s that he knew about. And then he actually sent me the car that was up for auction today, but I already knew about it being up for auction. My buddy was gonna buy it from auction from me, and the guy in Florida ended up bidding the car up, and we ended up paying. We probably could have got it for like 270 if the other dealer wasn't fucking around, basically. So whatever, you got to pay to play. Either way, 290,000 for that car. Yeah, 390. Sorry, 390, not 290. But either way, I mean, I feel like I got a pretty good deal. I'm pretty happy with it because that car retail would trade for, I don't know, 430, 450, basically. Like if you look in the whole entire America right now, all of America, we're watching the NASDAQ to see if we got to get back above this pivot point. I wouldn't really be looking for a long until we get above 700. Might just kind of chop around here some more, but that's an option. Oh my God. It's an option. Well, should I do a full wrap on the McLaren, or should I keep it stock in terms of the color? Full wrap or small wrap? $1 million question. Somebody just listed this car right here for $440 with 4,000 miles. The car that I bought has 4,900 miles for $390. So I think if I was to sell that car retail, I'd probably get like $420 for it, because, well, this one's got 19,000 miles selling for 407,000. This one's fucked up. Don't look at that price. It's not something wrong with that car. This one's 433, 427, 420, 420. So like the market right now is sitting around like 420, 430 for a car that's not beat to shit with the right spec. So buying it for 390, I'm okay with that. At one point, these cars were selling for much higher. Back during COVID, what was it? Like when these cars first came out, I forgot what they were selling for, but I think they were selling for a lot higher. I want to see what the price is. You can actually like look at the prices of these cars selling, just like a stock market. Right now, the NASDAQ pushing up here off of the VWAP right now, up there towards that trend line. Little do trying to go. So I think just kind of let this play out. We get above the previous day high there at the 786s, and then we'll see how she goes. Yeah, so like if you look, this is actually the chart for only 4 of these cars. That's pretty wild. Only 4 cars, only 4 765s have sold, or maybe 10 of them have sold in the last year or 5 years. That can't be right. That can't be right. There's no way. But pretty much the price has been sitting right there. I don't think that's right. Something ain't right about that. Something just ain't right about that. But at one point, these cars were selling $500,000, $800,000. Yeah, the top sale was 880,000. So they're selling for like right around 400,000. Back in the day, this car right here sold for 880. It's like you can literally trade supercars like the stock market. Like the STO that I bought, the Lamborghini, somebody paid $529 for that car during COVID. And then I bought it for $389. So I bought the dip and now I'm selling it for $420. But obviously I put money into it. All right, I want to see NASDAQ get through this pivot point here. Get through this trend line and then be looking for some longs if we get up into this 700 level here, end of day for power hour, baby. Anything's possible. Nice little reversal here on the market off the lows so far. We've just been going straight up. You know what that means. I don't really know what that means exactly, but it means something. Anything's possible, baby. It's power hour. We need some better music. This is killing me right now. What can we do? We're going to film the Porsche after this, actually. I don't know if you guys saw the video of the STO, but we're going to go film the Porsche. This guy that I know has this really sick camera car filming setup. So we're going to go and film the sunset with the Porsche, the 911 GT3 RS. I just put the new exhaust on it. It's going to sound so good. 9,000 RPMs going through a fucking titanium exhaust. It hits different, boys. I don't know if you ever experienced it, but don't you worry. I'm going to film it so that way you can experience it just like you were there. I do that for the people, you know. I do it for the people out there. I help the people, they help me, and everybody wants to help each other, and then we all got to help each other. NASDAQ right now at that pivot point there. Will she go? Will she go? Got to get through there if she wants to go, but we're going to find out if she can go. Well, we got to know. The NASDAQ, another day, another dollar. We are live from the BDH. I'm excited for next week. I ordered some new tables, some new desks. I got 3 new desks coming. I don't know if they're going to be here in time for Nutty Bar, but I'm going to try to figure out a way to set it up. I got an idea. Trying to do like a different setup so that way you're kind of like in a circle. There'll be the 3 desks. Everyone's looking at everybody in the middle of the circle. So it might be a little bit different of an experience than we currently have. Like I said before, we're still kind of growing and learning as we go here with the BDH. I mean, we just kind of, I had this idea when I was in Hawaii last year. I came back from Hawaii, I built the place, and now it's just kind of the process of really dialing it all in. It's hard to live stream all day and then also work on the BDH, also do the editing, also do everything. It's a lot of shit to do, and I don't want to sound like I'm crying about it, but I mean it's just a lot of shit constantly figuring out. It's a lot of troubleshooting. That's also like, how many YouTubers out there, at least the day trading YouTubers, have a setup that looks like this? How many people have it going on like this? Not that many. Not that many, I'll tell you that. Name somebody. Nobody. In the future space, at least. All right, NASDAQ right up there to the pivot point, right there, the previous day high, that 19,686 level. It's power hour. Well, we got 13 minutes till power hour exactly. And then we're going to find out. We're going to find out what's going to happen. You remember Denny Trades on Top Step TV with his car behind him? That was his dad's car. What are you talking about? That wasn't his car. Denny Trades doesn't own a car. What are you talking about? I'm not being a hater, by the way. I'm just saying. Just want to clarify. Hey, PW, if you need anything painted, let me know. I paint cars. Is that like a wink wink? Like, hey, you need anything painted? Wink wink. Back in the day with the house painter, you're looking for someone to kill somebody, you go on Craigslist, find someone to paint a house. Hey Patrick, if you need anything painted, wink wink, let me know. I can help you. I'm a man of many skills. Wink wink. Jimmy Decker, totally being a hater. All right, go fuck yourself, Jimmy. Anybody with the name Jimmy, get the fuck out. Everybody, every Jimmy, get the fuck out of the chat. Don't ever come back. Patrick said that Danny doesn't have a car and that the car was his dad's car. He's such a hater. Get the fuck out. I could have said a lot more worse shit. I could have said a lot more worse shit. You don't even understand. All right, NASDAQ, just squeeze it up here through the 700s now. Hey, I'm trying to turn over a new leaf here, people. Don't get me fired up. Don't get me fired up, all right? Don't get me fired. Just let me have a good day here. Why? Why's everybody always got to come to this live stream just to like get me all fired up? Just to get some drama going. Did you take a trade in this moment right now? No. In the last 5 minutes? No. On the last 30 minutes, I have not taken a trade yet. I'm waiting. I just said, I don't think people listen. I just said I want to see this market push above the pivot point, push above the 700s, and then look for a long opportunity. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. We are waiting. It's not even 3 o'clock yet. Oh my God. Just because I'm live on YouTube does not mean that I'm fucking taking a trade instantly. People be real confused about that. It's getting too old for this shit, man. 36 years old, dealing with fucking retards on YouTube all day. I can't wait to quit. I just need 10 million. 10 million in the bank and I'm gone. I'm done. I'm out of here. See y'all later. I ain't ever coming back. I'm gonna go sit on the fucking beach somewhere and just live. $10 million, I can live the rest of my life on a beach in fucking Bali. Getting fed grapes and whatever else I'm hungry for. By 5, 6 foot tall blonde Russians. People say, well, what about Victoria? Well, she's gonna be there too. She's gonna also have 6 foot tall blonde Russians. We have similar taste in women. How much is in the bank right now? Ugh, not that much, to be honest. I got about $1 million cash. I got about $1 million in cars. So, and then I got a boat, $500,000. So, I mean, total right now, liquid, if I like liquidated everything, maybe 3 million, maybe. Patrick, I'm a 6'1" man and I like you. Hopefully not sexually. All right, there's our pullback. We pushed right up to that trend line. It's doing exactly what we said it would do. Patrick, please stop telling your business online. Hey everybody, my name's Patrick. I day trade live on YouTube. That's my business. Hey DK, you know that I have a whole entire YouTube channel that literally talks about how much money I make. What am I supposed to do? Hey everybody, my name is Patrick. I don't make anybody. Don't look at my YouTube channel. Don't look at anything. Hide. Someone the other day was like, you're gonna get kidnapped. I'm like, trust me. If I get kidnapped, the kidnappers are gonna give me back. They're gonna return me real quick. They're gonna be like, this guy, fuck, you gotta go. He talks too much. Don't worry. I got a concealed permit. And I know how to shoot a gun. Anybody trying to kidnap me, I'm gonna put a bullet in your fucking forehead. Maybe not your forehead, but your kneecaps for sure. Always got my head on a swivel. Always ready, baby. I don't want you to get robbed. Hey, if somebody wants to rob me, I'm all for it. Let's see. Fuck around and find out, you know? I'm all for it. I got no problem. Mama didn't raise no bitch. The trader. Patrick, I'm 5'9" and bald and also like you. Oh, God. Oh, God. Tomorrow, by the way, we'll have Ruben here tomorrow. That's right. Did the video editor eat today? I don't think so. I told him he can't get up until he finishes all the videos. Every single video that he has to make. Cannot leave that chair. Don't talk to anybody. Don't look at anybody. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. Only working. Right now. Right here. Right now. I would not like to work right next to the box. To be honest, I might move him. I don't know. He's always over there like eating cookies and shit and making noises. I don't know about you guys, but I get weird when I'm trading. I just can't deal with noises. Anybody else have that problem? I swear it's like a real thing. My senses, when I'm trading, my senses like really go up. Yeah, well, the music is, I turn the music on because I don't want to listen to him breathing over there. I swear to God. Does anybody else have to do that? I swear. When I used to like trade at home in Victoria would like walk into the garage and be like, what are you doing? I'd be like, get the fuck out of here. I'm trading. Don't talk to me when I'm trading. I used to always tell my ex-girlfriend, I would always tell her, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna give you a little secret. I'll give you a little secret here. All right. If I am still trading at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, that means that I probably had a bad day. So if I don't come out of my office before noon, don't ask me how my day was. Don't. Because, well, like I said, you'll know. Because if I don't come out of the office before 12, that means I had a red day. The worst, I mean, honestly, the worst thing is when people ask you how your day was. You know, like, I swear, when somebody asks me, oh, how was your day? I look at them like, fuck? The fuck? What the fuck? What kind of question is that? Who the fuck are you to ask me how my day was? Yeah, see, even Ginger, she walks in the morning, how are you doing? I'm like, God, fuck, what do you mean, how am I doing? I'm here. That's what I'm doing. I'm fucking here, Ginger. I'm not on a beach somewhere. I'm not on a boat fishing, so it can't be that good. I'm at this fucking office. Oh, it's the BDH. I still prefer the beach or the ocean. I'm excited for July. I'm going to be in July. In July, I will be in Hawaii for an entire month. I will be live streaming, but it's great because the timing in Hawaii is perfect because I can wake up 3 o'clock in the morning, trade, and then be on the boat fishing at 6 a.m. It's going to be the fucking dream. I told Victoria, I was like, we're going to Hawaii for a month. And then I said, also, we're going to go fishing for 27 of those days. And she says, I'm not going to go fishing 20. I said, yes, you are, woman. What else are you going to do? And she goes, oh, I do something. I'm like, well, there ain't nothing else to do because I'm going fishing. So whatever you do, I don't want to know about it. Because I only got one goal, and that's to catch the goddamn biggest marlin ever caught in the entire world. 2,000 pounds. Look at this NASDAQ push. Good Lord. 40 points just straight back up here now. Okay. I see you, NASDAQ. I see you. Right there at the pivot point now, 680s. Can you go to Dubai for a month? Nah, that sounds terrible. No offense to Dubai, but why would I ever want to go to Dubai for a month? What's in Dubai? Exactly. Nothing. Nothing at all. Just a bunch of sand dunes and big buildings and people trying to kill me, basically. I went to Abu Dhabi, I went to Dubai, and to be honest, I did not feel safe. And it had nothing to do with like, I just felt like, I felt very out of place. Let's just say that. I'm a very loud, boisterous person, and people in Dubai don't like loud Americans, is a good way to put it. So that's just how I felt. I'm gonna go to Antarctica. I'll fit right in. White people and snow, and just something about it. We just blend in. My great uncle was a Viking. True story. True story. Are we gonna push through here? Kind of looks like it. See if we get this push up through the 80s. If you want to be somebody, now is the time. Ah! Right now. All right, we're looking for a push up there. I am long, looking for a push up here to the 90s or more through the 90s. Got to get through that pivot point right there. Like she wants to go. Trouble there again at that trend line. Why did I do that? Oh God, it's pulling back. How's the live account doing? I lost it already. It's all gone.
Email update coming today.
Live email update coming today. What about tomorrow? Tradeify, give me a live account so I can blow that bitch up real quick. I want the record. I want Tradeify a record for the fastest person to blow up the live account. How long was Patrick live with Tradeify? 1 minute. 1 minute. Right now, NASDAQ stuck here at that 688 level, pulling back here into the 90s now. Dumping. Just dumping straight down here. Just dumping. We got the VWAP down there at the 600s, 609s. What does that mean? I don't know. Downtown, baby. ES is pulling back here as well. NASDAQ's pulling back. Dungdu, holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Dungdu, where the fuck have you been? Dungdu, I need some answers. Dungdu, where the fuck have you been? Are you alive? Dungdu. Bro. This whole time I thought you died. We all thought you died, Dung. Literally, we're gonna put out like we're gonna call the FBI and be like, we gotta find this guy. I want to see if he's still alive or not. He's here. Look at that, the reincarnation of Dungdu live in the chat right now. I want everybody in the chat to write Dungdu, 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 Dungdu. He's back, baby. He's back. Woo! This is the happiest day of my life. This is the happiest day of my life right now. I have never been happier. Other than earlier when I bought the 765. But other than that, I've never been happier. Holy fuck, this is crazy. Wow. He's back, baby. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. Dung do. That's epic. That's fucking epic. That is epic. Dung do said long. All right, I'm all in, baby. Just kidding. But maybe not. I show my love to you. Fucking dung do, man. It's pretty epic. My man, dung do. Back in action. He's back in action, baby. Where's the music? Is it not playing? You don't hear the music? Do you not hear it? Ooh. Five-minute chart pulling back here. NASDAQ ES pulling back. You feed me. $3:05. Is it power hour? It's power hour. Lights fade out. How much would I pay you if you come to the BDH for an interview? Why would I pay you? Sounds like you're confused. How about this? You pay me and then you can come to the BDH. How about that? How about that? That sounds like the deal. You pay me some money, okay? That's what we need to do. You pay me, baby. I'm just kidding. People in the chat said how much? $1 million. It's the only fair price. What kind of piece do you have on your wrist? This is a AP. Ocean, what is it? The oceanographer or whatever it's called? No. Offshore. Royal Oak Offshore. Can't really see it there, but it is. I'm trying to, I think I might get a different band for it though. I don't know if I like love this band. Looks like a Walmart brand. Well, yeah, go fuck yourself, John Henry. You don't even, the guy, he looks like a Walmart brand. I guarantee my watch costs more than your whole entire savings, John. How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet, John? That my watch costs more than your whole entire fucking life savings. Think about that. Fucking loser. You fucking loser. NASDAQ just kind of holding up here. 15-minute chart. We got that VWAP down there. VWAP's pretty flat. Could tap into that VWAP maybe 19,600s one more time, and then we'll see what happens. But they're holding it right there. Another little burst. Little burst back up here. Trade for pay. I'll put up $2,000.
$2,000 towards Dung Du coming to the BD8.
I got warned not to bully people in my YouTube comments. Well, you know, there's two types of men in this world. There's PW, and then there's the rest. It's on my mind. I can't explain. What does PW stand for? Well, you know, it really depends where you are in the world. You know, it just depends on what country you're in. If you're in Asia, PW could stand for a lot of things. I've been called Godzilla. You know, when I was in the Philippines, they used to call me Godzilla. I don't know why. I don't know why. I think it was because I was fucking the biggest person in the entire town. I remember one time going out to a club in the Philippines and getting really, really drunk. And I was dancing on the dance floor. And obviously, you know, I'm really tall. I'm really strong. I'm big. And I was dancing on the dance floor. And everybody around me that was dancing, you know, they're all like 5 feet tall. And my elbows, like I'm just like doing this, just really, really drunk. I'm really drunk on the dance floor. And I'm just putting my hands up. And my elbow just kept elbowing people in like the head. And people were not happy about it. They were not happy about it. And then I got kicked out of the club. And then I gave all my money to the tuk-tuk driver. Tuk-tuk. Also a bad idea. Also a bad idea. NASDAQ just kind of holding up here at the 650s. It's 311 right now. 311. What does it mean? Have you guys seen the 312 algorithm? Have you? Who's seen the 312 algorithm? Anybody? Dung Du is looking for 728. That's my boy. That's my boy. He's back. Don't ever talk shit about Dung Du. Nobody. Don't do it. That's my boy, Blue. That's my boy. Patrick's so rich, he didn't even know what the name of his watch was. I saw it on Instagram and I thought it looked pretty, so then I bought it. I didn't really I had no idea what it was called. I just said, hey, I want to buy that $25,000 watch. The AP. I can't even say the name of it. That's how rich I am. What's your most impulsive buy? Probably buying an electric Hummer. Buying an electric Hummer, definitely my most impulsive buy ever. I had it for about 2 weeks. That was a very bad impulsive buy. There's a 312 algorithm right there. Dipping back down here now. Power hour going nowhere right now. The electric Hummer. It looked really cool, but then after I owned it for a week, I was like, nope, this ain't me. It ain't me.
My friend opened a nightclub for people with erectile dysfunction. It was a total flop and no one came.
Jack George with the with some comedy there. Ooh. Ooh. I adore you. Mm. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I just hit the Porsche. I hit the Porsche. Good thing it's a fucking Porsche. Is the Porsche your favorite car? No. It's just the one that is not broken all the time. That's the reason the Porsche is always behind me is because it's the only car that I have that isn't always broken. So. Is the Porsche more reliable? Yes, very much more reliable. Lamborghinis, McLarens, not reliable at all. Did you get stopped out? Nope, not yet. Not yet. What about the Ferrari? No Ferrari for me. I'm a ginger. I don't look good in red, you know? Red is not my color. There's an old saying. You know? If you're a ginger, don't wear red. Because you'll look weird and you'll look more red. I already got a nice little red skin tone, so. Oh my God, NASDAQ. Down there to the VWAP now. Did we bounce here off the VWAP? Possibly. Fuck you mean? Both the ES and the NASDAQ touching down there to the VWAP. Not looking good here for the bulls. Oh God. Got to stay alive like right here, right now, or she's done. If the VWAP can't hold, we're in trouble. But we're praying. Praying for the VWAP hold. Praying for the VWAP hold. It's working. Praying for the VWAP to hold. It held. Back up now. Bow, bow. The music's lagging. Oh, fuck. I can't deal with this. I think it's the microphone. If I change something in the settings. Fuck you mean? Should be good now. There's the bounce right off the VWAP now. We're right back up here again. You just hold that VWAP for the bulls, staying alive. Hold that VWAP, bulls. Hold it. Hold it. Back up off the 610s now, 650s. There's no music now? Mike, no music? Yeah, I can't deal with this. This technology stuff, man. Fuck, now what is going? God damn it. God damn it. Mic check, mic check, mic check. What the fuck? Turn off noise cancellation. I fucking know, retard. What are you telling me? I know. You telling, what is that? Kendrick, I know. Like, will you stop? What about now? I don't fucking know, man. Just fuck the music. No more music. We're just gonna focus on the trades. My mouth. Mouth, Junior. All right, NASDAQ holding up there nicely at the VWAP, just like we were praying for, hoping for. It worked. Now we can see what happens here, 19,700 level there. Get through that 19,700 level. We got Dung Du calling out the 728s. 728s. Oh, God. The chat. Like, imagine being such a fucking loser and like you're on wherever you're doing, sitting in your mom's fucking basement or whatever, laying in bed right now, cuddling your pillow, going on YouTube, and then commenting something stupid in the chat. Like, imagine that. Like, that's you. That's the people in the chat. Like literally imagine that. Imagine that.
Shook PW's hand and Chuck whispered, "Ouch, please, have mercy."
I like that. I like that comment. It's a good comment. God, the funniest is like people will be like, they get so upset. They come here and they talk shit. And it's like, did I come to your house and force you to come here? Like, are you forced to be here? Did anybody force you to fucking come here? God, did anybody force you to? No, they didn't. Oh, man. Descending triangle here. Bearish continuation pattern. Oh, God. If we lose the VWAP, it's not good. Nothing scares me anymore. I posted this reel this morning. I posted a reel. And in the reel, it was like a joke.
Kids CPR report to see if we can't pass some. All right, right now we. What now?
And then people would be like, someone commented like, he's gambling. You got me. You fucking got me. Got me. Oh, God. This is all been your boom. Mike. I think we're back. I think it's working now. I think the noise cancellation should be working. Or not should be. It should be back. We're back. NASDAQ dipping down there below the VWAP now. Just cannot get out of this little range break. Kind of like was looking for that break through the 60s. Stuck. Going into the 330 time frame.
Hey, I'm not in the basement. My mom gave me a room in the big house. Now say the name. Haha.
Oh, God. We've got the Luxago indicator saying that right now the pattern on the chart, symmetrical triangle. What does that mean? Well, it could be a breakout either up or down. Fuck. All right, I know what to do. I know what to do, baby. I know what to do. Magic 8 Ball. Is the market going to go up? Let's see. Oh, says absolutely. Oh, no, it's moving again. But it does say absolutely. No, really, it says absolutely. Oh, it said absolutely. I'm telling you. And some people are worried about AI in the trading space. Little do they know that the most profitable trading strategy is using the 8 ball. Before placing trades, ask the 8 ball. Magic 8 ball. Am I drinking Four Locos? Yes. I'm fucking wasted right now. I'm so drunk. The best way to make money trading is to get real drunk and then just ask the Magic 8 ball. The Magic 8 ball said answer is unclear. Ask later. Okay. All right, we'll see what let's what the chat do. Up or down, chat. Chat. This friggin' microphone's in the way. God. Ruben's gonna be here tomorrow to really be able to let us all know what's gonna happen next. Have Dung Du come to the house. I mean, if he wants, I'm down. I'm so excited to get my new car. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna do something with it. I'm just gonna put it behind me and then look at it. You guys wanna see my new car? Who wants to see it? Tell me, chat. Tell me if you want to see it. No, nobody wants to. Never mind. I got a new car. NASDAQ's trying to push up. Holding here at the VWAP. Come on. We'll get above this 660 level. Then I think we could go previous week low. That's 760, 800 level here, end of day. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's what I think. So I bought this blue McLaren 765 for only $390,000. It seems like a lot of money to some people, but it's actually a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. And the best part about it is there is only 765 of them in the entire world. What was the asking price? Well, it was an auction, so there was no asking price. It was a dealer auction. One of my buddies is a dealer and he bought it for me. We don't pay retail around here when we buy cars. I get them direct. $765 is a lot. 765 is a lot of what? Like a lot, that's a lot of cars made? You think 765 cars is a lot out of the entire world? How many fucking people are on this planet? And you think 765 is a lot? There's 8 billion people. There's 8 billion fucking people on this planet. 765 is not even, it's not even a, that's, y'all are fucking morons. Nobody wants a supercar. Well, get the fuck out of here. Watch. Nobody wants a supercar, then get the fuck out. You don't want to get the fuck out. Why do they not make more than 765? Because that's the whole point. It's called the 765 because they only made 765 of them. God, I can't. How many fucking retards are in the chat today? The afternoon chat is just, it's bad. Cannot. Kind of breaking out here, to be honest. Kind of. Right? Kind of breaking out. Trying to get through that 660 level here. End of day, we got 350 algorithm coming up. If we don't hit this level by the end of day, I will sell my Lamborghini STO twin turbo. I will sell it. I will force myself to sell the car and then use the money for something else. Someone said it's already for sale. Why are you lying? Don't lie. That is a lie. It is not already for sale. I gotta clean my glasses off here. They got some stuff on them. There we go. Now it's old school PW. Here you go. Now you don't even know what's going on. People don't even know. They don't even know. If you don't know about these glasses, then you don't know. When are you gonna get the yacht you're looking for? That's probably like after Hawaii. I'm going to Hawaii in July, so I'll probably buy the yacht like maybe in August. My birthday's in August, so I'm thinking a yacht for my birthday would be pretty sick. It just seems like a good thing. Also, I'm gonna buy one of these as well for my birthday. A McLaren Senna. I'll get the McLaren Senna and the yacht. 1.3 million for the car, $3 million for the yacht. We're set. We're gonna be so fucking set, boys. I can't afford the W1. It's gonna be like $4 million. McLaren W1 is the best. Bitch, ain't nobody in this chat got a fucking McLaren W1, so don't even try to come at me. Ain't nobody in this fucking chat got one. When's the mansion house? I'm never gonna buy it. I don't, well, maybe I will one day, but right now I don't want a mansion house. Actually, the house that I'm living in right now, the owner wants to sell it to me, but I don't know if I really want to buy it, to be honest. Not sure I want to, because I have to, the house that I live in, it's a tear down. So if I buy that house, spend $1 million on the lot, and then spend $1 million to build a house, that's $2 million. It's a lot of money. When's your birthday? Please, Patrick. I would tell you, but then I feel like you're a scammer and you're going to use my birthday to get into my bank account. So I won't tell you my birthday. Well, that was my plan. I'm going to buy a big enough yacht so that my McLaren can fit in the yacht. Right next to my bed. Just something about sleeping right next to your supercar, you know? Just, it's a different type of vibe. Don't ask me how I know, but I know. Well, Power Hour has been so much fun. This is the best Power Hour I've ever seen. John R., are you still in that long? I am not still in the long. I am flat right now. All right, NASDAQ again pulling back here, 19,600. Get ready to sell your car. I will. I'll fucking sell my car so quick if we don't hit the previous week low. I will sell it so quick. Oh, fuck. Potty Cheney, buy and do Airbnb. Hey, Poto, how much money do you think is a lot of money? Like, just like throw a number out there. Just throw a number out there. Like you said, your boy makes a lot of money with Airbnb. You like what? Like what's a number? What's a lot to you? 20 million? Get the fuck out of here, you fucking retard. He ain't making no 20 million a month. Are you? You fuck out of here. Ain't nobody making 20 million a month from 4 properties on Airbnb. Do I look fucking retarded? God. Bro needs to realize no matter how many supercars or yachts, it won't stop his girlfriend from cheating on him. Hey, like I always say, if she wants to go find somebody else, you know, that's fine. But guess what? They ain't ever gonna be able to please her like I do. And that's all that matters. It goes both ways, honey. Ain't nobody gonna measure up to the BDH. Come on. Let's be honest. Ain't nobody gonna measure up. Ain't nobody gonna be able to, you know, ain't nobody gonna fucking be able to measure up against the BDH. Let's just be honest here, people. Ain't nobody measuring up. Ain't nobody. I like it. I like that Tim Chapo did the math on the rental properties. Well, yeah, no shit, Tim. I could have told you that. I don't even need to do the math. I didn't even need to do the math. Someone said the 10s are lining up for PW. Not the 10s. The 11s and 12s, baby. If you have a boat and you live in South Florida, it's easy picking. Easy picking. It's like shooting fish. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. Like shooting fish in a barrel. All right, NASDAQ once again just sitting right here at the VWAP, this 19,600 level. We've got 20 minutes or 12 minutes until the 350 algorithm. You like going to Miami? Fuck no, I don't go to Miami. I don't go anywhere. I'd go to my house. I drive from my house to the BDH, back to the house, back to the BDH, back to the house. It's literally the only places I go. You can ask anybody. I don't go anywhere. I can't go anywhere because it's like paparazzi and the fans and people trying to get autographs. It's hard being so famous, especially in South Florida, everywhere I go. It's always funny too, because for some reason the valet guys, I don't know what it is, but a lot of my YouTube subscribers work valet. A lot of my YouTube subscribers work valet, man. It's so weird.
I am 55 and live with my mom in the garage, so what's greater than?
What's greater than living with your mom when you're 55? I mean, that's pretty cool. No, I ain't hating on that. Just don't, don't give me advice on life. That's all. I'm totally, hey, if you want to live with your mom when you're 55 years old, I'm all for it. Go for it, It's totally cool. But just don't give me life advice. Don't give me no life advice, living at home with your mom. NASDAQ just dipping down. Just dipping down. Joel, Patrick, is $10,000 to $12,000 a month doable? I mean, I don't know. Maybe. Maybe, does it work? I mean, it could be doable, but it'll be very, very difficult. It's not as easy as just saying, oh yeah, you could totally do that, Trading is very difficult. Well, NASDAQ going nowhere quickly. Getting ready for the 350 algorithm. Do we start to dump down here now? We got this low right here. And then after that, pivot point down there, 19,400s. Would you ever considering starting your own would you ever consider starting your own prop firm? No. I would not start my own prop firm. I already make more money than fucking top prop firm CEOs. So why would I go start a prop firm, Makes no sense. Too many banks and vendors, man. It's a mental, like my mental. I can't. Don't bait me. Don't bait me, people. I'm trying to be good. But yeah, my mental. I just don't want to spend my mental. Too many meetings with the banks and the vendors. Just numbers. Numbers. Ooh. Watch it here. 19,000. I think like, I don't know why. I might be totally wrong. I could be totally wrong, but it just, I feel like it wants to go up. Does anyone else feel like that? Does anybody else just feel like it wants to go up? Like, I almost feel like this dip right here is just like a bait before the MOC, but I just feel, I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it, man. Just feeling it. I don't know why, but just, I feel it. It could be a totally wrong feeling. It might just be the Chipotle that I had for lunch that I'm feeling, not the market. I don't know. Just could be feeling it. Wondering if the algos are going to be powered by AI. All right, we're right here at the VWAP now. NASDAQ just sitting there at the VWAP. That yellow line. We've got this low down here. We got the MOC 350 algorithm coming up here in 2 minutes. Cameron said, man, even when I do the opposite of my strategy, I still lose. That don't work either sometimes. All right, come on, NASDAQ. Let's show this world what we know. I got a feeling. Obviously not financial advice, people, but I got a feeling. Serious question. Do hedge funds defend levels? No. You can't. A hedge fund can't defend a level. Especially on the NASDAQ. I mean, this is the whole entire fucking market. Maybe like some low float, small cap type stock, they could do that, but they can't do it on every fucking stock in the market. Got less than a minute here. MOC coming up. Less than a minute, boys. Will the longs step in here? End of day. Anything's possible. Again, I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. I do not know anything about trading. So please don't listen to me, but like I said, I do have a feeling. Might be a totally bad feeling. It might make no sense at all, but for some reason, I just feel like it wants to go up. Well, fuck. So much for feelings. So much for fucking feelings, boys. That's why we don't trade with feelings. Who you texting? I'm texting the ICT right now. I'm asking what's going to happen. He said the market's going to go right and then left and then back to the left and then to the right one more time. Something like that. It's going straight down. My feeling was wrong. No more feelings for me ever. Don't trade off feelings, people. Don't you do it. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Whatever you do, don't trade off the feelings. See if the NASDAQ gets down there towards that 550 area there now. So close. Almost exactly like yesterday. Almost. Wow. Straight down, right back up again. 580s now. Just chopping around here now, going nowhere quickly. So looks like that's all she wrote. Looking like that's all she wrote here on the NASDAQ. Just dipped down there, just pop it right back up. Classic. So much for Power Hour. I was all excited. Dung Du came back from the dead. the market was going to do something, but no. No. Watch it now. It's going to rip to the upside. That would be funny, actually. Wouldn't that be funny if the market goes straight up now? Back to the VWAP. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my Lord. It went nowhere. 355 algorithm. It's gonna pump, boys. I got a feeling. I got a feeling. I got a feeling. I got a fucking feeling, man. Still not going anywhere. 20 seconds till the 350 algorithm. Uh-oh. Chat, something's happening. Something's happening, chat. Chat, it's happening. Chat. It's got, my feelings are working. Chat, my feelings are working. Chat. It's not over yet, boys. Anything's possible. That was pretty wild. Hey, it did go up. I wasn't wrong about that. I wasn't wrong. I wasn't wrong, chat. It did go up. You got to give me credit for that. Give me some credit, chat. Now it's just going to pull right back. Oh, man. What a joke. Goes below the VWAP, comes back to the VWAP. Goes above the VWAP, comes back to the VWAP. My car is already for sale, you dumb fucks that are thinking that I'm gonna sell my car because the market didn't go to the 760s. It's already for sale. I was just kidding. Relax. Patrick, now you gotta sell your car. Ha ha ha, what an idiot. Hey, at least I got a car to sell. Little Big Bear. Hey, Patrick, you seem like you have everything, but you don't seem happy. I'm so angry right now. I don't know if you noticed, but it's kind of like a, you know, a bit of a joke. Like, I'm not actually angry. You know, that it's kind of like a joke. It's called comedy. You know, I'm like an angry comedian kind of thing, you know? I'm not like actually seriously mad, you know, like I'm like, it's like a joke. Patrick, I see that you have a Lambo and you have a car and you have a boat, but you're still not happy. Why is that? Well, when people ask stupid fucking questions all the time, my brain hurts. Point proven. Hey, again, Little Big Bear, are you the bottom or are you the top bear? Which bear are you? The little bear or the big bear? Get out of here. All right. Almost done. You almost ready over there, editor? What? You ready to go soon? Patrick, I tune into your live streams every day, and every day you don't seem happy. Oh, God. Well, you know, sometimes it's just how life is, my friends. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're not. And there it is, the bell. The market has literally gone fucking nowhere for the last hour. Power hour sucks. New rule, no more power hour because it's terrible. Little Big Bear, it bugged me so much. You also know that I interact with the chat and I call people retarded and I get people commenting because it gets me more views. More views equals more money. More subscribers, more money. More people watching the live stream, more money. Like, I literally get paid off of people watching me on YouTube. So I have to be entertaining. I can't just sit here and be like. And the only way that I know how to entertain a bunch of retards is to talk about how retarded the people that are in the chat are. So that's what I do. God, these fucking retards. Like, imagine, like, you're coming at me for not being happy. How unhappy are you? Think about that. Like, how unhappy are you that you took the time of your day to come on YouTube and come to YouTube and then write in my chat? You know what I mean? Like, how unhappy are you? Think about that. You know? Think about that, my friends. That's what I'd be thinking about, basically. So, all right. There's power hour. It's done. Yeah, pretty much just one big fuck fest of nothing. So, there it is. I'm going to go drive my car really, really fast and make bad decisions and enjoy life. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace of the Middle East. We out of here. We gone. We gots to goes. We gots to go.